This video demonstrates the proper procedures for determining the temperature of freshly mixed hydraulic cement concrete. The equipment needed for this test includes a temperature measuring device and a container of adequate size. The temperature measuring device or thermometer must be capable of measuring temperature to plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit throughout a range of 30 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The length of the shaft shall allow for at least 3 inches of immersion into the concrete. Note that some thermometers have a permanent mark on the shaft, indicating a minimum depth of insertion. Concrete temperature can be measured in transporting equipment, forms, or other adequately sized containers. Transporting equipment and forms must provide at least 3 inches of concrete cover in all directions around the sensor of the thermometer. Other containers must provide at least 3 inches or 3 times the nominal maximum size of the coarse aggregate of concrete cover in all directions around the sensor of the thermometer. When concrete temperature will be measured in an individual container, dampen the container with water. Then obtain a sample of material in accordance with ASTM C1064. Insert the thermometer into the concrete sample so that the sensing portion is submerged a minimum of 3 inches. Gently press concrete around the shaft of the thermometer to close the void created during its insertion and to prevent ambient air temperature from affecting the reading. Leave the thermometer in the concrete for at least 2 minutes, but not more than 5 minutes. While the thermometer remains in the concrete, read and record the temperature to the nearest 1 degree Fahrenheit. Follow the same procedures when measuring concrete temperature in the transporting equipment or forms. Be aware that the measured temperature represents the concrete temperature at the time of the test. This may not be an indicator of the temperature at a later time. Refer to the data sheet related to this training module for a copy of the data collected during this demonstration and any associated computations. Don't forget to clean your equipment.